Samsung started using the Ultra branding for its top-of-the-line Galaxy S models 3 years ago. The Galaxy S20 Ultra was the first Ultra flagship, and one of its most attractive specifications was the 5000 mAh battery. It's a specification that hasn't changed since then, with every new Galaxy S Ultra phone featuring the same battery. That includes the new S23 Ultra, and if our early experience with the phone is anything to go by, this is the first time you actually feel like there's a big battery in there. Let's face it, mid-range phone or flagship, a battery capacity of 5000 mAh is a lot. And when the Galaxy S20 Ultra launched with the same battery, everyone expected battery life to be excellent. That clearly didn't turn out to be the case, at least for those who got the variant powered by Samsung's Exynos 990 chipset. The Exynos 2100 was a considerable improvement over the Exynos 990, but even the Galaxy S21 Ultra did not last all that long on a single charge. The Galaxy S22 Ultra somewhat fixed this issue as Samsung used a Snapdragon chip in virtually all markets outside Europe, but even that chip failed to live up to the expected potential. Thankfully, 3 years since these Ultra Galaxy flagships hit the scene, Samsung seems to have finally achieved what it set out to achieve back in 2020. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's battery life is pretty insane. Yes, I say that keeping even the S22 Ultra in mind. My S23 Ultra's battery life is already better than anything I ever got with previous Galaxy S Ultra flagships. Once the phone learns my usage patterns and adjusts power usage accordingly over the next few days, I have a feeling battery life will get even better. It probably won't be as great as Apple's iPhone 13 Pro Max or 14 Pro Max, but Samsung has managed to get real close to the class-leading endurance of Apple's largest iPhone models, and that's a major achievement. Making all of this possible is probably the TSMC-manufactured 4 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor, customized specifically for Samsung's new flagships in partnership with Qualcomm. This chip is clock higher than the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and while we were worried that the efficiency gains would be affected as a result of the higher clock speeds, that's not the case in practice. Of course, as with all new phones, I'll need to test the Galaxy S23 Ultra for a few days more before I can offer a proper verdict. But initial battery life impressions and initial impressions in general are positive for me, and hopefully our experience won't sour in the coming days as we continue to use the device. So that's all for today. For more Galaxy news, you can check out our channel. See you for the next time. Peace out.